Hello, my name is Steve Knight and I'm the Sales and Marketing Manager of Porvair Sciences. We've come today to the Applications Laboratory to show you two of the manifolds which we use for our solid phase extraction. Here we have the traditional manifold, which for many years has been available in the Porvair range. It's made of acrylic with an acetal base and it's designed to accept our standard microlute blocks and for you to be able to place beneath it a suitable collection plate. In this case it's a 1mm square well plate, but it could be a disposable tray such as this for taking the waste material. Now, the acrylic manifold has been very popular, but it does have certain drawbacks. As you can see, the top is quite heavy. The sides were chamfered so that you could see the position of the drip directors on the filter plates, and that means that the whole arrangement is not really very suitable for robotic manipulators. I'm pleased to say that Porvair Sciences has now introduced a new version of this manifold. Just move this one out of the way. And as you can see, it does have significant advantages over the previous design. Firstly, it's now fitted with a vacuum gauge so that you can actually reproducibly apply vacuum each time that you use the SPE process. Secondly, flanges have been machined in so that robotic manipulators can easily disassemble and assemble the entire vacuum manifold. The standard disposable polycarbonate trays that we used previously are still available, as are the spacers to enable other collection plates to be used. For example, shallow well plates, which can be raised up to the appropriate height using these spacers. In addition, as well as having the new top plate which you see here, Porvair has become aware that not all filter plates have the same length of drip directors or height of skirt. So when you place it on the SPE manifold, those drip directors may not line up with your collection plate. For example, here I have a plate with very short drip directors and quite a long skirt, and here we have a filter plate with no drip directors at all and a full skirt. Now these would obviously cause problems if you try to use them on the standard manifold, and so our engineers have devised a series of adapters. These are also made of acetal and they're self-seating with their own gasket, so they simply are placed on top like that, and then various different lengths of drip directors and skirt can be accommodated on the same manifold. Now there are some manufacturers, such as Qiagen, who have extremely long drip directors and very short skirts, and for that an even thicker spacer would be required. All of these have been machined with flanges and they can all be robotically disassembled. So as you can see in this short clip, we've attempted to address some of the common problems with the vacuum manifolds which are available on the market, and we're calling this our robotically compatible universal manifold because it will accept a variety of different types of filter plate and it can be fitted to most liquid handling systems.